Hello everyone, and my dear students of first year, let us solve some more examples on probability or random variables. So here the PDF is given. Let PDF f of x is equal to kx square, 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, kx 2 is less than x is less than 3 and 0 otherwise, then find constant k and the distribution function, means cumulative distribution function we have to find. Now to find constant k, always remember we are going to use integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So we use here same concept, but minus infinity to plus infinity I have to divide into four parts. First one is minus infinity to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity. But instead of writing all these terms, simply write down here whatever given 1 to 2. Take that 1 to 2. What is value? Kx square plus dx plus second one 2 to 3. 2 to 3. What I get? Kx dx is equal to 1. Because others 0, no need to write it. If you write, then you have to make it 0 only. 0, 0, no problem. Have you understood it? These two terms. Now take k common. I am writing here. I take k common. K common in bracket. What is the first integral? Integral 1 to 2. What I get? X square dx plus integral 2 to 3 x dx. Understood? And is equal to 1. Now integrate k in bracket. What is integration of x square? X cube by 3. Limit 1 to 2. Right? Plus x square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2. It is 2 to 3. And is equal to 1. Understood? Now put upper limit minus lower limit. So our next step is upper limit minus lower limit. Do it. K in bracket. Upper limit. What is our upper limit? Our upper limit is, yes, 2. So 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 upon 3. Minus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 by 3. Plus in the second integral, it is x square by 2. So upper limit is 3. 3 square. 9 by 2. Minus 2 square, that is 4 by 2. And is equal to 1. If you simplify this, you will get k in bracket 7 by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 1. That is k in bracket 29 upon 6 is equal to 1. 7 into 2, 14 plus 3 into 5, 15. 14 plus 15, 29. Understood? Therefore, value of k is just reverse 6 by, transfer this 29 upon 6 to this side, LHS. So you will get 6 upon 29. Understood the first answer? Now try to understand the second answer. Here, for the second answer, we need distribution function. For negative numbers, always keep in your mind we are going to take f of x is equal to 0, capital F of x. For negative numbers, it is 0. So x negative, x is less than 1. From minus infinity to x is less than 1. Up to this point, we take f of x is 0. Now, given interval 1 to 2. Here, your given interval 1 to 2. Concentrate on that. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 साठी integration of this term. Right? Always keep in your mind 1 to 2 interval is there. So our lower limit is 1 and upper limit is x. Upper limit is x. So here take that. For 1 to 2, f of x is equal to 1 to x. This is the change. For cumulative distribution function, if I have to find it for discrete, then I take this only addition of terms. But here distribution is there, means continuous variables are there, continuous random variables. So we need integration, and integration is 1 to x. Understood? For capital F of x, 1 to x, and take this value 6 upon 29 x square dx. Now 6 upon 29 is constant. What is integration of x square? It is x cube upon 3 and limit is 1 to x. Understood? And integrate these 3 outside, you will get 2 by 29 x cube minus 1. So your answer is 2 by 29 x cube minus 1. If you have understood this, now let me tell you the second part. What is our second interval? Our second interval is 2 to 3. Now concentrate on 2 to 3. What is our limit? What is our limit? Lower limit is 2 and upper limit is x. But here cumulative means previous part also I have to take. So take that previous part. My f of x is, I am writing f of x here. Calculation already we will see in the next step. So concentrate on this step. I am writing from 2 to 3. This interval. So f of x is equal to, take the previous part. Previous part is 1 to 2. This limit is there, 1 to 2. And what is your function? 6 upon 29 x square, value of k. 6 upon 29 x square dx. तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला असेल 6 upon 29 काय आहे? तो k आहे. 6 upon 29 x square dx. मागचा पार्ट पण घ्यायचा इथे. आलं लक्षात? प्लस नाव इंटिग्रल 2 to x. Integral 2 to x and take this 6 upon 29x. 6 upon 29 x dx. And we are going to integrate both. Correct? Let's do it. Kara integrate. Here 6 upon 29 outside. What is integration of x square? X cube upon 3. Limit is 1 to 2. Plus 6 upon 29 outside. What is integration of x? X square by 2. Limit is 2 to x. Understood? Simplify this. If I take here 2 cube upon 3 means 8 upon 3 minus 1 by 3. So 7 by 3. So here I get 14 by 29. First part 14 by 29. That's answer is 14 by 29. And here I get x square minus 4 upon 2. Or you may write 3 by 29. 3 by 29 x square minus 4. Correct? Simplify this. 14 by 29 minus here 3 into 4 12. 12 by 29. I get 2 by 29. So I get 3x square. हे दोन्हीचे ॲडिशन व्यवस्थित करा, तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 अपॉन 29. अंडरस्टूड? 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 अपॉन 29. करेक्ट? नाव लास्ट वन. लास्ट म्हणजे काय? ग्रेटर दॅन 3. x इज ग्रेटर दॅन 3. 3 टू इन्फिनिटी. x इज ग्रेटर दॅन 3 आणि हे आन्सर 1 आलं पाहिजे. ग्रेटर दॅन 3. सो टेक दॅट. f ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू, पहिलं इंटरवल कुठून कुठपर्यंत राहील? यस, टेल मी. फर्स्ट इंटरवल इज 1 to 2. Second interval is 2 to 3 and third interval is 3 to x. Correct? पण शेवट काहीच नाहीच आहे. So take that x as infinity. 3 to x, instead of that this x tends to infinity. Instead of x काय घ्यायचं? Infinity. 3 to infinity because it is 0, no problem. You may write 0 also. Don't worry about it. Understood? And if you integrate you will get 1. Let's do it. करायचं ना सॉल्व? ओके, लेट्स डू इट. 1 to 2 6 upon 29 x square dx plus 2 to 3 6 upon 29 x dx plus 3 to, you may take x or you may take infinity, don't worry, 0 dx because 0 is there, no need to write anything. Correct? And if you simplify this, we have integrated it already to find constant k. So do it again and find its answer is 1. And finally write down this is your answer. What is that? F of x is equal to capital F of x. First value is 0 for minus infinity is less than x is less than 1, or you may write simply x less than 1. Second value, what is your answer? 2 by 29 x cube minus 1 between 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and last value is 3x square plus 2 divided by 29, and it is for 2 is less than x is less than 3. In fact, you may write 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 3. Here I may take strictly less than. Have you understood? and last one it is 1 if x is greater than 3. So in this way we solve the problem. Have you understood it? Good. If you have understood that, now let us solve this. Let x be the random variable having density function f of x is equal to, write down the f of x carefully, f of x is equal to cx, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 and 0 otherwise. F of x is equal to cx, simple, c into x. Now so many questions are there, one by one we will solve. Find constant c. You know how to find constant c, we will do that. Second, probability of 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 3 by 2. Third, probability x is greater than 1. And fourth, distribution function. All these we have to solve. Let us solve one by one. Now you ready with your pen paper and solve with me, because so many questions are there and so many times I have to rough. So you tell me the answer. The first one, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. To find constant c, what is given here? Between 0 to 2. So take that, integral 0 to 2, what is the value? Cx dx is equal to 1. So c into, what is integration of x? X square by 2, 0 to 2 is equal to 1. X square by 2, upper limit is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 upon 2. And lower limit is 0, 0, no problem. C into 2 is equal to 1. So here C is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? Getting the first answer. Now second answer. What is our second question? P of 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 1 by 3. त्याच्या समोरच लिहूया आपण. इंटिग्रल 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. C ची व्हॅल्यू टाकून द्यायची. x dx. What is value of C? 1 by 2. Take that, 1 by 2. What is integration of x? X square by 2. Limit 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. And take upper limit minus lower limit. हा 2 बाहेर घ्या. 1 by 2 into 2 काय होईल? 1 by 4. And upper limit minus lower limit you have to substitute. So 1 by 4 in bracket. 3 by 2 its square minus 1 by 2 its square. x square आहे ना, x च्या जागेवर टाकला व्हॅल्यू. Understood? So 1 by 4 in bracket 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So here I get 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 1 by 4 into 8 by 4. Correct? Means 1 by 2 again. So here also I get answer 1 by 2. Second answer is 1 by 2. Now third. What is our third question? Have you remembered? Third question is P of x greater than 1. P of x greater than 1 means 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Here P of x greater than 1 means here 1 to infinity f of x dx. But I have only 0 to 2. After 2 it is 0. So we can write that 1 to 2 only. 1 to 2 cx dx. 1 to 2 cx dx plus 2 to infinity 0 dx. Understood? येतं एक लक्षात आहे. 0 dx कधी घेतला आपण? 2 to इन्फिनिटीला. मग c ची व्हॅल्यू परत टाकून दिली 1 by 2. आणि व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स? एक्स स्क्वेअर बाय 2. त्याचं लिमिट टाकलं 1 to 2. करा बरं सॉल्व. 1 by 4, 2 into 2, 1 by 4. Then here 2 square. 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1. So your answer is 3 by 4. लक्षात येत आहे ना सगळे आन्सर्स? 3 by 4. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स. व्हॉट इज दॅट लास्ट क्वेश्चन? काय तो? द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन फंक्शन. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन फंक्शन मीन्स कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स. कसं काढायचं लक्षात आहे ना? कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स. यस, कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 ऑलवेज. केव्हा? मायनस इन्फिनिटी इज लेस दॅन एक्स इज लेस दॅन लोअर लिमिट काय? 0. मीन्स लेस दॅन निगेटिव्ह नंबरसाठी 0. नाव फॉर दिस 0 इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू एक्स इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2. लोअर लिमिट 0, अपर लिमिट x. So f of x is equal to, yes, काय येईल? 0 to x cx dx. c ची व्हॅल्यू 1 by 2. So here I get 1 by 2 into x square minus 0. So only x square by 2. Understood? x square by 2. Right? Now greater than 2. हे कुठे झालं? 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 साठी. आता x greater than 2 साठी काय होईल? फॉर x greater than 2, yes, 2 to x. 2 to x पण त्याच्या अगोदर पहिला घ्यावा लागेल ना, 0 to 2. So f of x is equal to, I am writing here, f of x is equal to, पहिला काय येईल? 0 to 2 cx dx plus 2 to x, but after that x there is no number, so we take 2 to infinity 0 dx. You may take 2 to x or 2 to infinity, doesn't matter because it is 0. And simplify this. C ची value टाका 1 by 2 x square by 2 upper limit minus lower limit and tell me the answer. Already we have solved, but tell me 1 by 2 x square by 2 0 to 2. So here 1 by 4 in bracket 4 minus 0, so I get 1. Understood? So we get all values. Write down your f of x. F of x is equal to 0. Kadi? It is 0. Kadi? Minus infinity is less than x is less than 1. When? Minus infinity is less than x is less than 1. Next, x square by 4. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. Correct? Or equal to 2, no problem. 1 if x greater than 2. Understood? So this is your probability function. In this way we solve problems. If you want, we will solve some more problems in our next lecture. Thanks for watching.